Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. Mommy is about to pop. Ayan. Lalabas na si Bunso. So we're going to the hospital. Wala ang mga kids. Ayan, mga gamit lang kasama namin. So stay tuned. So baha ang sasalubong kay baby. Actually bumabaha kanina kaya gabi na kami na papunta ng hospital. So salute kay Mr. Policeman. Ay, naku. Nandun sa loob. We're here. So we're here now in the hospital. So she's going to change her clothes. She'll be wearing diapers. So, stay tuned. Anak pa nga. Go for 4 daw eh. Go for 4. Go for 4. We're doing labor testing. Hi, mommy. Excited? Go for 4. Go for 4. Ayan, interviewin muna natin si mommy. Ayan, binigyan na siya ng medication sa kanyang... Saan yung swero mo? Ayan. Swero mo. Sa kanyang swero. She already received medication. So we're here na in our room. And so, mommy is already admitted officially. So, we're now here in our room. And nagugutom na siya.
Hindi, no. Nauuwaw lang.
Talaga ba? So, ayan. Maghahanap ako ng... It's already 10:30 p.m. So, maghahanap tayo ng mabibili na food para sa kanila ni Bibi. So, stay tuned sa mga susunod na kabanata. Hopefully, makapasok tayo ng DR. Time check. 12 o'clock. Pasyente natin. Chimichibok. Binayagan pa kumain. Kakain siya! Talaga. Time check. 7:40. Our patient is still asleep. So, we'll see what will happen today. Mommy's still sleeping. We were really tired last night. Hindi ako nakapag-record. But, ayan. Yung IV fluid niya is may medication but until now hindi pa siya nagko-contract, nagli-labor. So maybe we still have today until this evening. Until she starts laboring. So we're having a call at the Rain. Rain crazy.
Uy!
Wake up!
Raka!
Uy!
Uy!
You miss mommy and daddy na? Mommy, go to doctor.
Ang mami.
I go mommy doctor. Sino ka naman dyan? Huy!
Uy!
You miss the mommy na?
Ang lupit!
Go home na mommy. Go home na mommy.
Mama! Free!
Mama Faye, saan wawo?
Wow!
Mama sleep. Mama is asleep.
Mom!
Wawa cool. Brother is at school. Morning, mommy. Morning. Matuto ka dyan. Hi guys, we're back. Ayan, we're on our second day. She's currently undergoing labor. So, past 1 o'clock. So, 3 to 4 centimeters na. Ayan. Hindi na siya makangiti. Hindi siya makangiti. Ang sakit na. Kailangan kasi 10 centimeters bago lumabas si baby. So siguro tonight. Habang may maingay kaming kapitbahay, babawi kami sa kanila. Paglabas ni baby kami naman ang maingay mamayang gabi. Hi, Mi! Say hi to our subscribers. Hi! Go, fight, fight, fight. Let's go for 4. Baka siya sumisipa, nasisikipan na siya. Content nga eh. Sumisipa. Sipahin mo paglabas. We're on our second night na dito. So it's 9:30 na. And our mommy is having more intense contractions. Sabi ni Doc and ng nurses niya. Possible tonight or madaling araw lalabas si baby. So stay tuned while mommy is actively laboring. Opo. Almost 10:30 p.m. Pinasok na ng delivery room si mommy. It's another waiting game. I'll keep you guys updated. Time check, 2 a.m. So, I just reported something. Ito kasing water pump ng aircon namin sa room. May 1 hour na siya, hindi siya umihinto. Unlike nung mga unang gabi. Tapos, ito na yung kulay niya. So, yun. So, baka matunaw, mag-overheat. So, sana wala naman maging problema. Nireport na natin sa nurse station tsaka sa maintenance. Nakatakot lang, no? Maging parte pa siya ng vlog natin. So, we're waiting for mommy. Nasa delivery room pa rin siya. Wala pang tawag kung nagsimula ng labor. Sana papasukin tayo. Pero we'll see. Kasi yung kay Ryan and Rain, magkakaibang hospital sila pinanak. Pinapasok naman tayo ng doctor sa delivery room. So, hopefully, ito din para kahit pa paano bigyan natin ng moral support si mommy. Okay? So, we'll keep you posted. 5 o'clock in the morning. So, lumabas na si baby. And eto na siya.
Pangalan?
Rabia. So,
Rabia.
Rain.
Pasok ng banyo. May napkin eh. May na.
Rabia Zoe. Ading ni Rain and Ryan. Kamatakaw. Hungry na hungry. Ang new baby ni Kuya Ryan and family. Lumabas siya ng 3:42 a.m. and si Mami is still sleeping sa delivery room. So, we'll have to wait. I think papadilayin lang si baby tapos una siya sa room while waiting for Mami. Hi guys, we're back. Ayan, almost 6 a.m. And Mami is still sedated. So, tutulog pa siya ng ilang hours. Good morning! Ayan. So, look who's here! Puti-puti. So, our first get-together to meet our new baby, Rabia. Our mommy is back. She's binging again. Matakaw na naman.
Nanginig pa nga eh.
Kaliwa, paano may gamit mo?
Yung din. Bia. Bia. Baby. Gising iyan? Gising ang baby na yan.
Hi guys, so we're on our day 3. I'm actually going home to pick up the kids para ma-meet nila ang kanilang ading and we'll see how it goes. Hi. You say hi. Where are we going? Mommy doctor
Mommy,
Allied
doctor,
Care Express.
and baby.
S-A-E, mommy.
Okay. So they're going to meet Ading, no? So we're going to Ading and Mommy. It's their first time to meet. Rabia, Zoe. There's Papa Ray.
Bukas ang mauna karoon po naman siya pagpasok namin. Wait ka po.
Kuya, meet mo baby mo. Ah.
Oh, baby.
Ay, baby, wow! Yay!
Baby.
Baby yan. Flying kiss, flying kiss, flying kiss. What's that? Baby? Yay! Si Wow. New sister mo? Who's that? Baby.
Anyway.
Why?
Pupunasan niya eh.
Oh, you wear your bag na. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. I go mommy house. Put it on your shoulder. Oh, bye-bye ka na kay baby. Flying kiss. Oh. Bye-bye ka na kay mommy and baby. See you tomorrow. Time check. 10:30 p.m. Last night namin dito kasi bukas uwi na daw kami, sabi ni Doc. So si baby and first time niya nag-milk since kanina madaling araw. Si mami ang pinupupsan niya. So it's a good sign. So by God's grace makauwi na kami tomorrow. So, para magkakasama na kami matulog ni Kuya Ryan and family. So, hi guys! Ayan, welcome back and maulan. So, we're done. We're going home from the hospital. Ayan si baby, sarap ng tulog. So, we'll see anong reaction nila Kuya and Ate Rain when we're back home. So, stay tuned. Hi! Baby's home!
Sweet naman ang ate namin na to.
Hi, Kuya Ryan. The baby's home. Hi. You say hi. The baby's home. So, stay tuned for our next video as we include baby Rabia. Okay. So, what will you say, Kuya Ryan?
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
Boo! What about you, Rain? What will you say? I say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.